back, the much needed respite from the heat wave conditions and the temperatures which have been above normal. That respite has come about in the northern part of the country. It's been raining, especially in the national capital. Hailstorm is expected in parts of the NCR region and other adjoining areas as well. Dust storm in most parts of Uttar Pradesh today. Well, no change expected as far as the temperatures that have now finally normalized over the next 2 days. They're not going to rise as far as the northern part of the country is concerned. However, in several parts of the country, some rise in temperatures are expected by almost 2 to 3 degrees. When we talk about the hottest part of the country, that happens to be Vidarbha, Telangana and East Madhya Pradesh, where the temperatures ranging from 42 to about 44 degrees Celsius. Now, heat wave conditions that have abated, they're likely to return to central India from tomorrow, and heat wave conditions will return as far as the northwest plains are concerned from the 6th of May. Heat wave conditions are prevailing at the moment in Madhya Pradesh. These are parts of Madhya Maharashtra, the interiors of Maharashtra, today as well as tomorrow. Heat wave conditions to prevail in Vidarbha from tomorrow till the 8th. Heat wave conditions will be prevailing in the western part of Rajasthan as well as Madhya Pradesh from the 6th to the 8th, and heat wave conditions in parts of Uttar Pradesh and East Rajasthan on the 7th as well as the 8th. On the other side, we also have a low pressure area which is likely to intensify into a depression that's expected over the Andaman Sea, which means heavy showers expected from the 6th in the southern part of the country, especially towards Andaman and Nicobar Islands. When we take into account the temperatures, they've dropped by almost 2 to 4 degrees over many parts of the north, whether it's Rajasthan, Delhi, Haryana, as well as parts of Chandigarh and Punjab. Now, the temperatures are staying below the norm in some areas, but in the eastern part of the country, there has been a huge relief and no change expected, no heat wave conditions expected over the next 4 to 5 days. Let's take into account some of the temperatures that we have noted as temperatures stay under the 45-degree mark in the country. As I have mentioned, the temperatures have dropped, but when we take into account Chandigarh, 36.7, Udaipur 37.4, both are a degree or two below the norm for this time of the year. Amritsar is at 37.5, Delhi at 38.4. So the temperatures are pretty normal at the moment. Even Agra, which is over 40 degrees, so is the case in Barmer in Rajasthan, Ahmedabad over 41 degrees and Gwalior above 41 degrees. But that's exactly how it should be at this point in time as far as the Met Office is saying. Let's also take into account areas where the temperature is warmer than usual. We also have places like Wardha, Chandrapur, Akola, all in parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Maharashtra. These areas, we have Brahmapuri 44.2, Malegaon over just touching the 44-degree mark, Nagaon at 43.8, Parbhani again 43.8, Nagpur at 43.5, and Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh also coming in at 43.5, where the temperature here you can see is on the warmer side, almost 2 degrees more than it should be for this time of the year. However, the northern part of the country is now seeing a huge change now because the winds are coming in from the east. It's been raining in the eastern side of the country, so moist winds are coming. Those are cooler winds coming in from the eastern side of the country, and a western disturbance is prevailing at the moment. So relief for now, at least over the next 2 days, and from there on the temperature will start to inch back again. It will cross the 40-degree mark. It will be on the higher side, and heat wave conditions might just come back. But up until then, some respite, at least for now.